Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you the battery and device care menu on Samsung Galaxy S20 XOS. First go into the settings and then find the battery and device care. Right here we have the learning usage patterns. So as you can see, we have the power saving mode, the background usage limits, and put unused apps to sleep. If you're not using any apps, they will not consume battery. Here we can check the sleeping apps, deep sleeping apps, and never sleeping apps. Then we have the usage since last full charge. Full charge will last about, we can view the details. We have wireless power sharing right here that we can enable to share the power wirelessly, and more battery settings. For example, we have adaptive battery that will extend battery life. We have enhanced processing, get faster data processing for all apps except games. We have show battery percentage. As you can see right here, the battery percentage is shown. Show charging information. Show battery level and estimated time until full when always on display is off or not shown. We can enable fast charging, super fast charging, and fast wireless charging. Also the protect battery to extend the lifespan of your battery. Go back and into right here the storage. We have the internal storage, images, video, audio, documents, files, apps, system, and bin. Right here you can manage all the files from your phone. Here we have the memory. And here you can clean up the background apps. We have auto optimization. Device care automatically performs optimization to keep your phone running smoothly. This includes closing background apps and cleaning memory. We can enable the restart when needed. Here we have the software updates and you can update your phone. We have the diagnostics and maintenance mode. Protect your privacy while your phone is being repaired. So when you're handing your phone to the repair store, then turn this mode on. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.